if we can keep quiet.
Magitongoria ni muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Anglican Jackson Elsapit athikabu ya maugite bururi nduthiite na njira iria yagiriire na ni ihinda mugambo wa kanitha uthikiririo.
The constant strikes by university lecturers compromise education standards and terribly frustrate parents and students, leading to changed education calendar and loss of time and financial resources. Government must swiftly act to address the lecturers' grievances and solve this perennial problem once and for all.
Athikabu ya maugite gatiba ya bururi ndiratio na ikinya ria atongoria kwenda guthogana gwika mogaruruku makiria kuongerera ihinda ria wathani ria president ni mugaru na wendi wa muingi.
It is unacceptable for some politicians to want to extend their stay in office, and the provision of our constitution must be upheld. We demand the 5-year election cycle is protected and maintained.
Undu ungi urarakite kanitha kuringana na Sapit ni ungumania uria urahinga uthii wa na mbere makiuria honge cia kurua na ungumania gwitikirio kuhuthira magego mao kuruma.
ACK be granted prosecutorial mandate that would enable them to perform their duties without interference from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. We demand that the government officers who have been mentioned in corruption cases must resign or step aside until their cases are investigated and conclusively determined. This will show seriousness with which the government handles corruption cases.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Elsapit thengia wa gutongoria thirikari ni gutua itua ria kuriha aria makwiriire kana kugurarira mirurungano ni atetetie gucagurwo gwa kamiti iria iratongoria mihang'o ino akiuga ruhonge rwa kurira ihoto cia umundu bururi-ini nio mabatie guthukirwo wira uyu.
We note that the High Court has issued conservatory orders against the recently launched task force. However, we do note that there are already constitutional offices that have the mandate to carry out the obligations. For instance, the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. We see no reason why these commissions should not be mandated to the task at hand, and including preferring any judicial interventions for the victims so that justice may be served and not delayed any further.
Athikabu aya ni moritie kugathikwo kwa watho wa kurugamia kambeini cia tene makiuga muingi ndukwamukira tabarira iria mehokete mahingirio ni thirikari.
We urge political leaders to focus more on service delivery and spare the nation with early campaigns. These campaigns are creating political squabbles and uncertainties.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩchimo Joseph.